Hi ma'am, I'm Harvey M. Layos, your student in Technical Writing, Section G1, and this is my presentation about adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench, or recent wrench, is a versatile hand tool used for gripping and turning various sizes of nuts and bolts. Its K is a movable G that allows size adjustment, making it suitable for a wide range tasks. With an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip, it's essentials for a mechanics, home, workspace, and construction project, both professional DIY enthusiasts. Adjustable wrench is also known as adjustable, like you need to adjust a wrench and then it's capable to do an easy work, like other wrench. Adjustable wrench is more good, like it's more easy to use and more fixed and comfortable to grip. Full description of adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench is like this. First step to use an adjustable wrench: locate the height that you need to tight. Second step to use an adjustable wrench: choose a right wrench and resize this. Step 2: choose a wrench. Select a right wrench and size of a bolt, like this. I do not have bolt, but wrench have a wrench like this. You need to resize this. Position the wrench of the head of the bolt like this, but I do not have bolt, so like imaginary position like this and tight. Step 4: apply a proper grip. Hold the grip like this, and like this. Tighten the bolt. Turn the wrench clockwise. This. Step 6: check the alignment of the wrench like this. Untight it and turn counterclockwise. Step 7: gentle push or pull the stability like this. But I will do. The last step, step 8: remove all tools and clean the area. Remove this and set like this. Line this and clean the area. That's all. Thank you.